what's up? Welcome back, and in this video, we are going to stay in the best resort in Sipaway Island. And to get there, you just need to just ride a boat from San Carlos City, and you will arrive in Dap Port, and from Dap Port, you will need to get into a tricycle, which will only cost you 100 pesos or $2. It's just a short ride from the port. It will take you maybe. When I arrived at the resort, I was welcomed by the guard, and I already knew that I will have a good time staying in this beautiful place. From the entrance, you already see how well maintained this resort is. And at the right side of the resort, there's going to be a mini golf which you can use for free if you're staying for the night. They also have a mini zoo, and these are the Philippine warty pig. So these pigs or boars are endemic to the Philippines, and it's so awesome that you can be this close to them. They also have the Philippine brown deer, which is also endemic to the Philippines. So this is another awesome animal here in the resort, and please do not feed them. The resort got 3 pools. 2 pools are always operational. One of them are only for check-in guests. And the third one, this is the part that I'm going to show you the room that I slept in. I paid 1,450 pesos for this room. That's roughly $30. And this room is huge. The air conditioning is so nice. It has a super big toilet and shower, as you can see. But it doesn't come with breakfast. But it's okay because the breakfast here is not that expensive. And on the holidays, the room will cost 2,500 pesos, but with breakfast. The resort also have a lagoon or one can use. Here is the reception slash restaurant of the resort. You can eat here or you can ask them to bring it into your room so you can enjoy the food by the patio. The resort is well maintained, it's clean, it's organized, the staff are friendly, helpful. These are the aviaries and they have lots of kinds of birds. So if you're a bird lover, it's gonna be your lucky day. The resort also. These birds are so used to people that they will just going to fly on top of your head, sometimes on top of your shoulder, sometimes into your phone like this bird here. Oh, this bird's a. if you're still here, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. In our last Sipaway video, I showed you where is the best spot to watch the sunset. And this spot here, it's the best spot. This is where you go if you want to go swimming, sea snake in the world, and the stonefish. And these cottages right here are perfect for people. This is the Tanon Wharf. This is where the dive shop is, and they have a swimming pool if it's a busy day or a busy season. So pretty much that's the whole resort, but you still need to stay tuned because I'm still going to shoot. After touring the resort, I went out and rode the bike around Sipaway Island. If you want to check out that video, I'm going to put the link in the description below, so go check that out after this video. It's fun and you will see the real beauty of Sipaway Island. And of course at night, I'm so tired of touring, of biking, I ordered the pizza and it's really good, I love it. But don't expect an Italian pizza, expect a good pizza. And this is what I woke up to. Amazing! I can't believe that the resort just got better. And that's the resort when it's high tide. Now, into the breakfast. The breakfast for today are 2 toasts, 2 eggs, and a coffee. Simple, but it's all you need. And this is the mangroves area of the resort, and you will find a mangroves walk here. Stay there and appreciate life. That's it for this San Carlos City, Negros Occidental, Philippines.